Hello everyone, how are you doing? Today you're going to practice your English. So let's start. Listen and answer these questions. Where is Kim from? What is his favorite subject? What is Jane's favorite sport?
Hi, my name's Kim. What's your name?
I'm Jen.
Where are you from?
I'm from Japan. Are you Japanese?
No, I'm not. I'm Chinese. Are you a middle school student?
No, I'm high school student.
How many school subjects do you study at high school?
I study 10 subjects.
Oh, that's too much, man. So, what's your favorite subject?
I like science and philosophy. What's your?
I love English. Do you like sport, Jen?
Yeah, skateboarding is my favorite sport.
Oh, I like skateboarding, but I can't play well.
I can teach you.
Really?
Yes, let's start now.
That's cool, bro. Let's do it.
Your turn. Read and practice with a partner. Now answer these questions, then practice with a partner. What's your name? Where are you from? How old are you? What's your favorite subject? What's your favorite sport? If you liked the video, don't forget to subscribe and share it. Goodbye.